Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? So guys, today's video I'm going to show you guys just 3 ingredients that you can combine together at the comfort of your home and detox yourself. Okay, so not every time you go and buy purge, maybe there are a lot of people that is really finding it difficult to go to toilet. So if you are that kind of person, you can just buy this 3 ingredients and use it. Just blend together. It's very nice. Okay, what I use is melone, melos. I don't know, melone, I think. Yeah, it's melone in Italy, but I think it's melos or papaya, I think so. So after that, I use 3 kiwi and I use green apple. So with these 3 ingredients, you can blend them together and it's going to help you a lot to detox yourself. I did add lime and ginger. You can add lime and ginger if it is with me that want to drink it alone. With my husband, we had lime and ginger because my son was finding it difficult to go to toilet, so that's why I prepared this juice. Yeah, I said let me just do video. So even if your baby can drink it, is a normal thing. So normally I do go to supermarket and buy that canned kiwi to give to my son when he's finding it difficult to toilet, like he has not go to toilet for 2 days. I will just give him. But this one, I just decided to make it for him, for us, for the 3 of us. So immediately I gave him this drink. He said maybe not in 1 hour, he just go to toilet. Then after that, blend together, sip, and you are good to go. And guys, I want to let you guys know that my YouTube channel has been demonetized for the past 1 year, since last year. It's past 1 year now that I've been demonetized because of a short that I uploaded on my channel. There's this short I saw, and this short was really interesting. There are some kind of things I will just like. I said, okay, let me post it. Just 15 seconds short. I post it, and through that, the short went viral and hit 6 point something million views, and they demonetized me for the past 1 year. So guys, we are back now. My channel has been monetized back, and thank God for everything. Yeah, and please don't make that mistake. Don't upload any short that is not yours. Okay, all right guys, I'm going to see you all on my next video. Bye guys.